Hello, I am Madhu. I am a twin flame divine masculine. I am a student of Differentialia and I am a student of life purpose class and twin flame ascension classes. So, today I want to share a topic with you that you are going to resonate deeply. If you have been going through your twin flame journey over a period of time and you are seeing your twin flame is not showing up, and in some way you must be feeling hopeless and disappointed, and is that troubling your journey and making you to lose your faith on your twin flame and also not believing that your twin flame is true. It had happened with me, and that's why I want to share what is the truth behind again and again hitting up to the feeling of disappointment and hopelessness. Yes, I have felt that a lot of time. Like if you have seen my journey, starting from a false twin flame, trapped into a karmic relationship, and then trapped into a job that was not fulfilling to me, that was not making me happy. Everything was disappointed, right? So when I met my twin flame, that was the first time I received that feeling of love, and that was the first time I believed that love is true. uh, that was so deeply, that love was so deep in my heart, that made me connect with myself for the first time. That was the first time I experienced that love is true, and love is like when you are going to connect with that love within your heart, it feels like you belong, you have a purpose in this world. So what then, when the connection is so deep, when the love is so true, then the point comes when the separation begins, and then it just does not end, right? At some time of the journey, it feels like it is not ending. You are just constantly doing your inner work, and still your twin flame is not showing up. And then it is very natural to get into the loop of feeling disappointed, feeling hopelessness. And I just invite you to feel, did God created you, and does God want you to have a life that is full of disappointment or hopelessness? No, right? That's not true. You are the you are the only child of God, right? That's how Jeff and Shelia introduced the truth of God to us, that you are the only child of God. So when you are the only child of God, is God going to going to have or give you any situation or give you anything that is going to make you disappointed or that is going to feel hopeless? No, that's not true. That is not the truth of universe, right? Because the universe is love, God is love. So your natural state of being is love, not feeling constant disappointment or constant hopelessness. So then why we hit on that feeling again and again when we are going through our healing through the separation phase, right? First thing is, we believe that separation is true. That is the foundation from where it begins. The hopelessness begins deep within us when we start believing that there is a separation phase that is happening between you and your twin flame. And that makes you naturally hopeless, that nothing can work out, that there is nothing that you can do within yourself, right? Because the first thing is, you don't have any role in overcoming that separation phase other than just loving yourself, because that phase is given, or that some time in your life is given to you to explore your true self, or to connect with your deep soul that is residing within you, find everything that you are desiring outside that is within you. So the whole hopelessness and the disappointment comes because all the way we have been programmed, or all the way we have been learning that we have to get the things done externally, right? We have to get everything externally, then only we are going to feel good, then only we are going to get that love. But that's what exactly we are healing through this twin flame consciousness, or through this twin flame journey. So when you are meeting the true love, and when you are connecting something with the part that is eternally yours, right, with your eternal lover, so there is nothing to feel disappointed about your journey, right? So the only disappointment that is coming up is just to be healed. Like in your life, in your childhood so far, where have been the situations that made you feel disappointed, or what made you believe that disappointment, the result or the external manifestation is not going to happen? Because that's exactly what is going to take you back into the loop of disappointed. And you know you lose all your energy, you will get into the trap of that you are unworthy, your twin flame doesn't love you. All that thing is going to come and start playing its role in your mind, and that's exactly actually coming from ego that takes you back into the dark hole where you can't see anything other than your unworthiness. But the whole purpose is just to make a choice, because you are creating your reality, you are creating your harmonious union. And how you create it? You create it by choosing it. So when you know you have the power, to choose, then why don't you choose a life that is full of love, that is full of your worthiness, that you deserve, right? And when you deserve the true love, when you deserve God, there is no way you have to feel disappointed, right? So when you are on the path to be in union with God, nothing else is, everything else is actually, like very much minimum, very much lesser than what you are, what you are going to achieve, or what you are going to get on this journey by pursuing this journey, right? It is a very beautiful feeling when even if you have not achieved anything, even if there is you don't have to prove anything, there is nothing like you are going to get any certification by achieving this harmonious union, but there is a deep sense of peace, there is a deep sense of love that resides within you, and you are actually unfolding that, you're unfolding that energy that is in your heart. And that's exactly is the place where you are connected with universe, right? Somewhere on your twin flame path, you and your twin flame has made a choice to unite in God, right? So when you have chosen God, you can just be rest assured and feel secure that you are going to have everything. It is not like if you are pursuing God right now, it like there is nothing you have to get, like you have to pursue loneliness. That's not true. It's not true that when you are pursuing God, you are only with God, you are going to have everything with God, then you are actually choosing a life that is lonely. That's how actually ego deceive you. Ego try to show you that, see, this is the discomfort you are going to receive when you are pursuing everything by yourself. You are going to be lonely because you are disconnecting from everything. But the truth is, you are only disconnecting the impact of the result on yourself. You are not disconnecting from creation. Okay, so you can see, like if it doesn't matter, if the presence of the external thing, the presence of your twin flame is not impacting whether you are feeling loved or not, how beautiful or how divine that relationship is going to be, right? No matter what your twin flame chooses, you are only going to unconditionally love him or love her, because the love is coming from source. The love is there, that is within your heart, and you are just extending that, you are sharing that love with your twin flame. and that is beautiful. So do you choose to create that eternal love, right? You are creating eternal love. You are not choosing loneliness. You are not choosing to be alone. You are choosing to be with God, and then everything else around you is going to be there, but you are not going to be influenced, or your feelings are not going to be affected by presence or absence of anything that is outside of you. So it is just a matter of seeing that within yourself, and just making a core choice to go to God and be in union with God eternally. And when you make that core choice, the truth is your twin flame is you. So your twin flame is going to make that choice, and in God you are going to be one. In God you are going to come into your harmonious union, and that is so beautiful. And yeah, what else you need when you have yourself? Your twin flame is you. First you have yourself, you connect with your true self, and then you connect with your twin flame. That's beautiful. And thank you. If you want to work with me, connect with me, I have given my website in the description. Thank you very much. Pursue your journey, pursue your twin flame, pursue God. You will never feel disappointed when you are one with God. That's beautiful. Thank you.